Outfit of the day, headed to IKEA. I have on this Zara sweatshirt that I got last year, and I love it with this little faux fur type of detail on the sleeves. And this scarf I got from Nordstrom. It's Free People, and I just love it. It's nice and warm. And just got on my Ugg boots, and of course my favorite thing, leggings. leggings, 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 leggings. But yeah, and then wearing Susanna today. This is my Susanna wig that I've had for, actually this is not how the wig came, but I styled it this way. But yeah, so this is Susanna, and we are headed to IKEA. And let me show you guys. So this is how I store my bags right now. My bags and some of my shoes. I've got to reorganize this entire area. I have more boxes and some bags over there as well. But I am going to pick up a there's a bookshelf that I want to put all my bags on, so that's where I'm headed. Okay, this is the one I'm looking for. That one. This is actually the one that I'm looking for. This is what it looks like. Another option. So that was a success. Ooh, Susanna is kind of all over the place. But yeah, as you can see, got my bookshelf, and now I'm about to go by one of my favorite little spots. It's a small little restaurant, but they sell all chicken stuff, and I'm gonna go by there and get me some chicken chili. So that's where I'm gonna go before I head home. See if we can get some. Yummy chicken chili. Looks so scrumptious. I actually got this for the next day. Then I wanted to try the frozen lemonade and sweet tea, and oh my goodness, it was super, super sweet. And I wasn't supposed to get this, but I had to try the wedges with the chili on top. And then I got 4 of these bowls. I really love to eat my salads in them, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those out and put them in the dishwasher. I also got just a pack of large cooking utensils. 2 of these. This mini spatula. We'll call it a mini spatula. And then I got a new mixing bowl. And this, I needed another one of these just to put, you know, over your food when you're warming it in the microwave. So this is like the entrance to my closet. And this is what it looks like before I put the doors on. I'm trying to decide if I want to put it here or if I want to put it over there. Ignore all the junk. I had to move stuff around to put this thing together, but I was thinking about tearing that out, pulling that out the wall, and putting it over there. That's what I'm thinking about doing, but we shall see. It's gone, y'all. And I got a little injury. A little injury. Cleaning all of these. Clean her out, and there she is. Yes! She did that. She did that. Now I'm going to wipe her down and put my bags in. She did that. So this is the final product. I did start putting a few bags in there to kind of see how I want to arrange them, but this is it, and I love it. Thank you guys for watching, and continue to be blessed.